Hey riders! Looking for the ultimate commuter ride that's fast, foldable and fun? Man Biking, say hello to your new city companion. The portable electric bike for adults. This compact 14-inch electric bike folds in seconds. Perfect for apartment living, public transport, or stashing at work. No more space issues. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, this e-bike gives you the thrill of speed without the sweat. Cruise through traffic, skip the parking, and get to work on time and in style. Safety first. Always. The dual disc brakes give you powerful stopping power in any weather, so you can ride with confidence wherever the road takes you. And did we mention portability? Weighing just enough to be sturdy but still manageable. This bike is made for grab-and-go city living. Whether you're headed to work, running errands, or exploring on the weekend, this e-bike makes every ride smooth and fun. 14-inch foldable frame. To 20 miles per hour speed. Dual disc brakes. Lightweight and portable. Perfect for urban commutes. Trust us. Once you ride it, you won't want to go back to the bus or car. Collision ready to upgrade your commute. Tap the link in the description to check out the portable electric bike for adults. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome gear reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride. Bicycle dashing away. Package. Order now and ride smarter, faster, and greener. Thanks for watching. Ride safe and see you on the road.